Hey there, Mr. Chu here with my SAT test review video 4 for Module 1, Problems 6 and 7. So these are two open-ended problems, and I wanted to show you that I named my algebra curriculum that I do with my videos after this puppy dog. This is Bear, and Bear is my soon-to-be 13-year-old Peekapoo. He's my buddy. And you hear him whining and coughing sometimes in the middle of my videos. So I just wanted to point out that he was very needy tonight. And we are going to let him sit on my lap while I work these two problems. These two problems, 6 and 7, are open-ended problem. What does that mean? They are not multiple choice, because not every problem would be multiple choice, and these examples are not multiple choice. So I am Mr. Chu, and I have been doing these videos and offering help for those people that need a little review before they do their SAT. So these problems have been released by the College Board for review. Some of them may seem very easy for you. I had a lot of students that commented that the first 3 that I did on video 2 were very easy. And then the next 2 I did on video 3 were a little harder, but still pretty easy. Now, these may be a little bit harder. There are no multiple choice possibilities here. So most of these SAT math problems, they require background knowledge in algebra, geometry, number sense, probability, statistics, all kinds of different things. So the topics are going to vary from question to question. And I did not group them together. I put them in order just like they were listed on the module. So if it's listed as number 1, I do number 1. Make sure you like this video if it helps. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and X for all of my math help videos, because I've got lots of them. I post more and more almost every day. You can go to my YouTube station, and it's easy to find that channel just by going to YouTube and then searching at Mr. Keith E. Chu. And then I also have an email dedicated to questions from students at gmail.com. So let's get started with these two problems. The first problem, a printer produces posters at a constant rate of 42 posters per minute. At what rate in posters per hour does the printer produce the posters? This is called a conversion problem. And the way I teach conversion is you're always multiplying by 1. So if I want to take 42 posters per minute and change it to posters per hour, that's a division problem. Per means division. So I can take my 42 posters over or per 1 minute and multiply it by something that equals 1. Well, what equals 1? Well, there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. And here is where some of my students, when I was teaching in brick and mortar, struggled. You're multiplying by something that's going to cancel your units. So I've got to have minutes in the numerator because I have minutes in the denominator. And since I want per hour, my answer has to be posters per hour. So I put 60 minutes over 1 hour, and Trey, my 4-year-old Tomcat, just jumped past the screen. If you saw something black go across the top of me while Bear is wanting to lick me, yes, Bear's my boy. So what happens here? I can cancel. There goes Trey again, walking across my computer screen. So I can cancel here. He actually pulled that up. So he's being mischievous right now. All right. So I can cancel my minutes in the numerator here. I can put a line through that and cancel it. And my minutes here. So the minutes now are gone. So now you've got to multiply across. So I multiply my 42 posters times 60, over 1 times 1 hour. So I just multiply across here. 42 posters times 60. There it is right here. 1 times 1 hour, which is 1 hour. 42 times 60 is 2,520 posters per 1 hour. So I could say that 42 posters per minute equals 2,520 posters per hour. Hopefully you got that one right. If you didn't, just take your time in your conversions and make sure you cancel out. All right, so on number 7, the function f is defined by the equation f of x equals 7x plus 2. That's called function notation. What's the value of x when x equals 4? So when it asks you to do that, all you're going to do is find f of 4. That's what I'm going to find. So what's that mean? Wherever there's an x, I'm going to replace it with a 4. So I replace this x with a 4 and this x with a 4. Don't make it harder than what it is, but understand we're just finding those values. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. So f of 4 equals 30. So how did you do? Did you do well on these problems? Now, the topic changed, and so it is different than what you have been doing before in here. There's my bear boy still on my lap. So let's wind this thing down. Move my face over to the corner. So, remember, there are 27 problems in Module 1. I will work short videos like this for every couple problems, and then I will also have a longer one that's called Video 1 that has all of them. There are videos in my playlist, so go to my YouTube channel and make sure that you understand that I want you to follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and X. Why? Because it helps me push out more videos and get more people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I don't know where this came from. So there is my long YouTube channels, the actual URL that you can type in, the long thing there. You also can subscribe, and there's usually a button or a subscribe link that you can click on. You can send me emails, and make sure you do me and Bear a favor and spread the word and let everybody know Mr. Chew wants to help you. And what do I want to help you do? I want to help you understand how to pass and score high on the SAT. So, Bear, tell them bye, and we'll see you on the next video.